High-dose vitamin C. Is it the next weapon for fighting cancer? There's a consumer groundswell driving this controversial treatment for patients with cancers and other serious health conditions. Even though this intravenous therapy has been in use for 20 years, only very proactive patients are finding providers to deliver this high-dose vitamin C to help combat the ill effects of cancer, chemotherapy, and radiation. And most importantly, the patients are telling us that their quality of life is vastly improved.
The quality of life is definitely improved because I was kind of like down and out, other than, being tired. And I just find myself looking forward to doing things that I was regretting before.
I said to my husband, well, this will be the answer. This will be our next step. And in a week's time, my energy's back. I'm not nauseated. And I was slowly improving.
It took this therapy to bring me to this level I'm at now. And I really feel good and I really feel healthy.
It's a massive dose of vitamin C, the equivalent, they say, of 500 oranges going directly into the bloodstream.
Some patients have been receiving chemotherapy for several years, 4 or more, and not able to influence tumor reduction or to be able to get their cancer markers to be reduced. We see that our patients not only look better and feel better through their chemotherapy, but we're actually moving their markers and we are seeing tumor reduction.
IV nurse Michael Ann McAllister has been treating patients with vitamin C for over 10 years. She's also a patient herself with malignant melanoma and has witnessed some dramatic results in her patients' conditions and in her own health.
They're enjoying clean PET scans. They're enjoying tumor reduction. They're enjoying good skin, hair, and nails. They're enjoying their wounds are healing and that their appetite is back and their zest and zing for life has returned. This is a very empowering treatment.
Cardiac patients are treating themselves with this powerful antioxidant, and other patients are utilizing it as a preventive measure to outlive their family's medical history.
I have a little bit of the cancer in my family, but what I'm looking forward to doing is looking at it as preventive medicine.
This high-dose infusion is also providing a fountain of youth effect for these patients.
It's amazing. Everyone I look at, and I see a change in them every day. And me, I always have energy, and everybody knows that, but I'll go to the gym, and they're like, there's something different about you. You look so much healthier. And they've only been saying it since I was on the vitamin C for a couple of weeks.
But when I did start the soy, and especially the vitamin C, my skin took on a huge new... I had people telling me I looked 10 years younger in like a month. It was crazy.
Research by the National Institute of Health indicates that therapeutic intravenous levels of vitamin C selectively destroy cancerous cells, all without harming normal cells. Their conclusion was vitamin C strengthens the immune system and is a natural chemotherapeutic agent.
When I met with the doctor, he even had the CAT scan, the preliminary CAT scan reading. He was still skeptical that I was that tumor was gone, that it was still attached to part of my cervix and part of my bladder. That he wasn't convinced by looking at the CAT scan. He still had to do a physical exam on me. And when he did say the words. He said, "This is superb. I cannot believe that the cancer's, I'm quite surprised that it's gone."
With infusion centers in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, and Haddonfield, New Jersey, this treatment is becoming available to patients who are searching for non-toxic ways to fight the good fight and feel better doing it.